Hello guys, welcome back to Soji Forex. This is an update on our new strategy for scalping the boom and crash. And as you can see, if you have gone through this video before now, you will remember that we have our checklist. We say number one, we want to see price piercing the upper Bollinger Band. And here price is piercing the upper Bollinger Band. Secondly, we say we want to see the MACD histogram line, which is this line you are seeing. We say we want to see it above 80 to 90 level of our indicator window, which is the RSI, and here it is. Then we say condition number two, for a sell of boom, we want to see a close of at least 3 candles from outside the Bollinger Band where price went to. In order we want price to return inside and close by 4 candles, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And this candle must be a bearish candle. Okay, if you have a pin bar, do not count the pin bar as part of the candle. If you are having something like a doji, you are not counting it as. You need a candle that will show to you that there are sellers present in the market, just as you are seeing. Complete candle as this is what we want to see, 4 of it, which signifies that there is presence of sellers. So we are doing a combination of price action with our indicators. And once you have that, you will now wait to see the histogram line drop below the level of 80. You can see how it is dropping. And once it is dropping, you want to see the histogram, the MACD signal line now, which is this blue moving average. You want to see it cross the level of 80. And once this is established, you go in for your sell. Your first take profit is at 50 zone and your stop loss is at the previous high. And you can see how this is playing out beautifully. And of course, if you can calculate very well using a lot size of 0.2, and on Boom 500 as well, you can see that I have a running trade on Boom 500. So this has made already over $26 from both trades. So you can see how powerful, how straightforward these strategies are, and you can see how you can take advantage of it. Very simple. Price pierced the upper band and then it began to close 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and you can see the entry right up there. And you can look at our indicator window and you can see the condition, price histogram line above the 80, and then you want to see it begin to close and the histogram line drop below 80 level, and then MACD signal line crosses the level of 80 before you make your entry. The strategy is powerful and it is working. Once price get to 50 level, that is your first take profit. You don't need to be greedy. This works often all the time. You can see another scenario here and you can see how it plays out beautifully. Okay, so and then for buying crash, the candles we want to see, this is crash. For buying crash, the candles we want to see is we want to see a bullish candle. Okay, just as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a late entry, so we want to see this nature of bullish candles, and then you can see that it break this trend line and we are good to go. All right, we already have our stop loss and this is going to play out. The reason why I still have to take this trade is because there is an instance of divergence in this scenario. And as you can see, price is making a lower low. You can see what our MACD histogram is doing. The MACD histogram is making a higher high. So this divergence becomes a double confirmation for this particular reversal that is playing out in this zone. So this is how you can combine your divergence to take advantage of this, because if you look at it critically, you realize that price already is going up, so you will be wondering, and then that your signal line have crossed above 20. Yes, of course, but we don't have up to 4 candles here. You can see we have 1, 2, 3 price drop, and but once you get the 4, like here we have 1, 2, 3 price drop, it has violated the rule. Look at 1, 2, 3. This different, this bearish candle in between violate the rules. We want to see consecutive candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same bullish candle consecutively. That is the update. And we are using zoom level 3. This is the, we are zooming completely. So this is zoom level 1. This is zoom level 2. And this is zoom level 3. So this is exactly the zoom level we'll be using in taking our entry. So the strategy is simple. You can ask your question in the comment section, and I'll be doing more detail on this, on how you can use it to take a continuation trade, how you can use it to trade the currency pair with a little tricks, and then the volatility in the subsequent video. And I believe you've done something new. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we publish our next video.